Hey guys, Sihle here. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. So since it's Valentine's Day, I've decided to create this bold burgundy look. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. So sit back and enjoy Sihle's creations. Starting with eyes as always, and for eyeshadow base I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige. I'm gonna blend that with a fluffy brush and also going in with a beauty blender. Going to the James Charles palette, the first shade I'm taking is called Boutique. It's a brown shade. I'm going to use that as a transition shade. And to blend the edges of that, I'm going to use a bright pink which is called Skip. The next shade I'm going in with is called You Kidding. It's a dark red, and to deepen the crease even more I'm gonna go with a dark brown which is called Burnie, and I'm gonna go back to each shade making sure they are blending seamlessly and there are no harsh lines. Now I'm gonna cut my crease using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Now for my lid, I wasn't sure if I wanted shimmer shades or not, but the first shade I went in with, it's called Shimmer. On top of Shook, I went in with a red shade which is called You're Kidding, and I focused that onto my outer V. And the next shade I used, it's the pink shade which is called Skip. And onto my inner V, I went in with a pale pink which is called Pinkety Brinkety. Now to smoke my outer V, I went in with Spooky. It's a black matte shade. On my crease line, I've decided to go in with the glitter liner, and then I decided to do a winged eyeliner and applying my lashes off camera. To prime my face, I am using the usual, which is the Essence Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. And for foundation, I am using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade Caramel and Chestnut. And to highlight my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And to set my highlight, I am using the Yardley translucent powder. The stick foundation I'm using is by Miss Signature in the shade Dark Roast. I'm gonna use that to contour my face. To blush my cheeks, I went into the Beauty Treats Modern palette and I mixed the red with the pink shade. And to bronze my face, I went into the Nova Pressed powder in the shade Cashew. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the red, pink, and the brown, which is called Burnie. And I'm gonna line my water lash line with a black eyeliner. And I decided to go in with some glitters onto my lid. To highlight my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Megaglo. And to set my entire face, I'm gonna use the Fix setting spray by Miss Signature. And for my lips, I first went in with a soft pink lipstick, and then I changed it to a maroon lipstick, and then later on I went with a soft nude gloss lipstick. So there you have it, my Valentine's makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, share it with your friends and family, and until next time, much love.